The ocean covers 71% of our planet's surface. In other words, it's a big place, where it often takes days, sometimes weeks, to travel between ports. So while your ship is busy spending fuel traversing the seas, it's vital your crew gets the best possible fuel that they need: food. And that's where we come in. At Garrett's, we work tirelessly to ensure that you get the agreed quality level of best possible products at the best possible price. We're the leading provision and stores provider, and our size, reach and reputation is growing exponentially. We have an extensive network stretching across the globe and more than 300 suppliers worldwide. So no matter where you are, we're standing by to supply and support you. Best of all, at Garrett's you have one point of contact, worldwide, available 24/7. We make sure too that you're provided with nutritious and healthy provision supplies that'll help keep your crew fit and fresh for the entire voyage. And a sales representative is with you throughout the delivery process, making sure you get everything you've ordered and that you receive quality products. But we don't just provide support during the delivery. We offer suggestion on provision management, cooking and hygiene. Click through our website at www.garretts.com and be informed and inspired. Our extensive global network, along with our ever-growing expertise, also allows us to help you manage your daily life on board. But provision management is not all we offer. Garrett's is also offering stores management. We are ready to take care of your general consumables and budget responsibilities as well. In cooperation with you, we determine the budget and needs on board and provide the needed guidance and support for the vessel. Planning ahead saves time and money. We assist the vessels to optimize their purchases and keep focus on utilizing what you've got, and we make sure the agreed quality levels of products are supplied. We have the know-how and system in place to take over the entire procurement and supply process, so there's no need to waste time, energy or money on additional assistance. With Garrett's, you significantly reduce your administration costs related to purchasing, accounting and communication. We're ISO certified and aiming to be the preferred provision and stores partner to the global shipping community based on integrity, best in-class service and competitive advantages. At Garrett's, we provide expert care to each ship and crew and want to be recognized, making our customers' life at sea better.